We are unboxing a shipment of evaluation kits from Maxim Integrated, and we're on the second one. This is the MAX77650 EV kit. So as with the 640, this is an evaluation board designed to help you build designs with the chip before you build it into your own application. And this is a tiny low-power chip that's designed to go in wearables and things like that. Anything from earbuds to rings to bracelets, watches, other jewelry, and skin patches and more. So let's have a look at the specs. Compared with its cousins, the MAX77640 and 680, the 650 also has that 3-channel SIMO buck boost regulator and the RGB LED driver. However, it also provides a battery charger. Its LDO provides ripple rejection for audio and other noise-sensitive applications, such as hearables, and as a safety feature, includes battery temperature monitoring. Very important for wearables. So what would you build with this? I'm personally really excited for the potential of smart rings, so get on it! Stay tuned for more in the Maxim SIMO series.